Today's style is one of the simplest out there, the braided pinless. Because this braid is going to be going up into an updo, I'm not really worried about the saggy bottom issue, so I'm not doing my little trick for that, which I'll put up a card if you are wearing a braid down and you want to prevent it from getting loose at the nape of your neck. But right now I'm just doing regular old 3-strand braid to begin. Well, this takes forever. Oh, almost there. I'm going to end off with a fair amount of tail because it's going to get wrapped up into the bottom. For this, I use a hair fork. Now, this is one of the very few times that I'll tell you probably don't use a flexi. A flexi is meant to hold hair, and this is not holding the hair at all at this point. It's just going straight against the scalp, so there's not enough to like make the clasp go in. Boy, I don't know how to explain that. A flexi flip might work. Sometimes I use a swerve, but if you have a hair fork, that is the best. You just slide it in at the top of the braid and begin wrapping your hair around the outside. Make sure that you are getting it underneath the fork on both sides. Once you've got 1 or 2 wraps, you're good to just start speeding up and wrap, 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 and tuck. And this is the braided pinless. I sometimes do put 1 pin in it, but I actually didn't today. It holds quite securely if you have those fairy tale ends and a long braid wrapping around it. I absolutely love the look of this. It's so pretty and it's so easy.